party slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the moss. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Let's hope we get a contest worthy of the setting. So that's got things underway.
Well, Peter, there's goalkeepers, and there are great goalkeepers, and then there's Oliver Kahn. He's in a league of his own.
While he is a goalkeeping icon, isn't he? The man famously known as King Khan by some. He's belligerent, he's brazen, but he's utterly brilliant.
And never in a mood
To Kitolana! Goal, Norway! There is the breakthrough. And here's Vinicius Junior closing in on goal. Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested. Sorloth is having a shot! It's a goal! And just like that, he is... Oh, he's bustling through here! He's gone for goal! And that's been intercepted.
He read that really well and stopped it.
Looking for the run. Oh, he's a great chance! Goal, Norway! And look who it is. He leads the way. He leads the preciously.
Well, Peter, this now poses the question of stick or twist. Do they immediately go for another one, or sit back and...
Can he finish? And it's in! Again, in a... Norway are now luxuriating in a 2-goal lead.
This is wonderful front-footed football. The manager will be absolutely thrilled.
Chance! It's in! We are up by the odd goal in 3, just about shading things at the break. Real! It's bounced back off the post. Now this could be a chance. Tries a shot! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
Yeah, it's good movement though. A bit unlucky he couldn't actually steer it goalwards.
Fernandez. Buriram United appear to be happy to let their front players stay up front all the time.
Well, it's signalling to the opposition that they're setting themselves up.
There's the shot! He's got a goal! They are right back in business!
And that comes as a very welcome relief. Now let's see who's got what it takes to seize the initiative from here.
How very smart. He just got it right. Some shapes to shoot! and that is quite wonderful. He's got himself an absolute peach. And they are on the rise.